Hi, so here in this video we are going to learn how to use stroke in Adobe InDesign. So in this video you will see applying or adding stroke on shape, images or text. So let's see how we can use stroke. Okay, so for adding stroke simply have to select your object in which you want to apply stroke. Just I want to apply stroke on this image. Simply have to click on this and you can see here this is our fill and this is our stroke. So currently it's none. So for applying stroke simply have to keep selected your object and come above on the properties bar and apply stroke from here. This is our stroke width. Okay, so you can see here 2 pt stroke has been applied on this image. Okay, so for changing color simply have to select your object and you can change the stroke color from here, something like this. And you can also change width of your stroke if you want to increase your thickness. As well as you can see here stroke type. Currently it's a thick and thick type has been applied, so you can also apply solid stroke, dash stroke. So these are some basic properties is available here that can be used. Okay, so it's some quick ways for applying stroke on objects, but for advanced stroke properties you have to click on Windows and here you can find the option of stroke. This shortcut key is left and also can be used for this panel. So simply have to click on this option. Once you will click here, you can see here complete stroke panel from where you can manage and adjust your stroke based on your requirement. Okay, so here simply I am going to apply stroke on this shape. Okay, so just I have selected this rectangle and creating a shape. Okay, so just I want to apply stroke on this shape. So simply you can increase and decrease width of stroke from here, something like this based on your requirement. Okay, and you can adjust the cap of stroke. So for understanding it, I will create a line. Just I want to apply stroke on this. So you can see here what change comes. So for instance, I applied 6 pt stroke. Okay, now you see the corner is completely soft. So if you will change the cap of this stroke, you can see how corner has been changed. Okay, so this is some important thing that can be used while working in a design project. Okay, so next we have join. Okay, so here it is multiple of this is a rounded join and this is bevel join that can be used. You can see what effect come. Okay, and this is rounded. So it's up to you. Sometimes we require to use something like this effect, so we can use this option. Okay, and next we have align stroke. Currently you can see our stroke is aligned center. Okay, half is coming inside and half is coming outside. Okay, as you can see here also. So if you want to align your complete stroke outside or inside, so you can also do from here. So this is inside here. Your stroke got, after clicking here, our stroke got aligned inside. Okay, now you can see complete stroke is coming inside and this is outside. Okay, so once you will click here, you can see our stroke got aligned outside and this is center. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Based on your requirement, you can change the alignment of your stroke. Okay, so currently I will keep it center only. Next we have stroke type. Okay, so here you can see stroke type currently solid. So there are multiple options available that can be used, something like dotted stroke and wave stroke as well as dash stroke. So these are some stroke type that can be used. Okay, next we have start, and so just I have created this path and given 2 pt stroke and start and form here, something like this. It's very useful for creating infographic type design or hierarchical design. So we can use these all properties of stroke. Okay, and you can also scale up and scale down of this feature, something like this. You can see getting changed. Okay, and you can also adjust the properties or scalability of this option, something like this. Okay, so hope you got understand how we can change the stroke type. Okay, so similarly you can also use stroke on text. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our text in which I want to, first of all I will change the fonts and increase the size. So currently you can see here our fill is available but stroke is missing. Okay, so for applying stroke simply you can use stroke from here, something like this. You can see the stroke has been applied. Okay, now if you want you can also change the stroke color. Okay, So you can see stroke has been applied here also. So it's quite easy way for applying stroke in Adobe InDesign. So it's very important properties to know because it will very helpful while working in design projects. So hope you got understand how to add stroke in Adobe InDesign and update and modify the properties. So thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.